So I'm attempting to wire these 96 DeVille tail lights to my Chevy C10. So right here in the rear, this is all the wiring that's going to be connected. So I'm going to be saving these boots and trying to use them. But right here's a connector because I'm also throwing some LED strips, or one LED strip. And mine factory doesn't come with a wiring harness, so I just cut the ends off and labeled them. This yellow here going to my left turn signal and brake light. This red right here is going to be for my reverse light. This black right here is going to be for my tail lights, the always on. This right here is going to be for my right tail light, for the blinker and brake. And then my blue is going to be my ground. So all I did was check to see how these connectors, if in reverse coming from my truck, would have been connected. So that research was very helpful. Right here, this brown wire is for the tail lights always on. This yellow wire is for the turn signal and brake light for the left side. And this light green wire here is for the reverse lights. Okay, then follow to this side. For my right side, this dark green here is for the blinker and the brake light. The brown always on tail lights, and the light green reverse light. And then on the Cadillac, the wires, the black wires were my ground. Okay, the yellow wires were my brake lights, and the brown wires are the always on tail lights. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to know. And for the license plate light, I just ran a wire and tapped into the always on tail light, and that turned on my license plate lights. And yeah, still a lot of things going on right now. I'm also putting in the door lock actuators. Then I'm gonna come up and clean up my my fan and its relays and whatnot. Coming along. I'll post another video after this one and show you all the lights on. All right. Oh, and if you were using these factory ones, because I also wanted to make sure all my lights were working, because I had this whole thing torn down to a bare frame, so all the connectors were all loose, so I made sure that they all got tightened up. But these have those 3 bolts actually grounds out the whole light from the inside, as you can see. So that's your ground on here, and then this is for the driver's side. That's the well, I already explained all these wires. All right, I'll post you guys in probably about 20 minutes. Yeah, right.